In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Fireflies AI. By the end, you'll have Fireflies sending your meeting notes and action items straight into ClickUp, so nothing slips through the cracks. Start by opening your browser and going to Fireflies.ai. Sign into your Fireflies workspace if you aren't already. From the dashboard, head to the integrations area. If you don't see it right away, you can go directly to the integrations page within the Fireflies app. Click Integrations to open the full library of available connections. Once you're on the integrations page, look for the search bar at the top. Type ClickUp into the search field. Keep it simple, just the word ClickUp is enough. Press Enter, and you should see the ClickUp integration tile appear in the results. If it doesn't show up, double check your spelling, make sure you're in the right Fireflies workspace, and try a quick page refresh. Click the ClickUp tile to open the integration details. Here, you'll see a brief overview of what the connection can do, like syncing meeting notes, action items, and follow-ups into your ClickUp workspace. This is helpful to confirm you're connecting the right tool. Next, click Connect. A new window may pop up asking you to authorize Fireflies to access your ClickUp account. If you're already signed into ClickUp, you'll go straight to the permissions screen. If not, you'll be prompted to log in first. Choose the correct ClickUp workspace if you have more than one, review the permissions, and approve the connection. If you don't see the pop-up, check your browser's pop-up settings and allow them for Fireflies. Once authorization is complete, you'll be returned to Fireflies and should see a confirmation that the integration is connected. The Connect button typically changes to show that you're connected or displays a success indicator. If it doesn't update immediately, refresh the page to verify the status. A few quick tips if you run into issues: make sure you have the necessary permissions in your ClickUp workspace, ensure you're using the same account you want to connect, and try a different browser if the authorization window doesn't appear. Network or ad blockers can sometimes interfere with pop-ups, so temporarily disabling them can help during setup. That's it. With ClickUp now connected to Fireflies, your meeting content can flow right into your project management workflow, keeping tasks and notes organized without manual copying. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined setup.